Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home and design. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of outdoor kitchen grill area design and tips for creating your dream outdoor open cooking culinary space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Creating an outdoor cooking and entertaining space is a fantastic way to extend your living area and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. But where do you begin? This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know to create the perfect outdoor kitchen grill, from understanding its purpose to selecting the best equipment. Let's start with the basics. An outdoor kitchen grill design is more than just placing a grill on your patio. It's about creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing extension of your indoor kitchen, specifically designed for outdoor cooking and entertaining. It encompasses everything from the grill itself to countertops, storage, seating areas, and even weather protection. The goal is to create a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor living spaces, allowing you to prepare meals, socialize with guests, and enjoy the outdoors simultaneously. It's about creating a destination, a place where memories are made, centered around the joy of cooking and sharing food. The advantages of an outdoor kitchen grill are numerous. First and foremost, it expands your living space. Think of it as adding another room to your home, but one that's bathed in natural light and fresh air. It's perfect for hosting gatherings, from casual family barbecues to more formal celebrations. An outdoor kitchen also keeps cooking odors out of your house, especially beneficial when grilling foods like fish or heavily seasoned meats. It allows you to enjoy the outdoors while preparing meals, rather than being confined to your indoor kitchen. And, let's not forget the potential increase in your home's value. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is a highly sought-after feature for many homebuyers. Creating a successful outdoor kitchen grill design requires careful planning and consideration. First, assess your space. Measure the area you have available and consider the flow of traffic. Think about how you want to use the space. Will it be primarily for grilling, or will you need additional cooking surfaces like a stovetop or pizza oven? Consider the climate in your area. Will you need a covered area to protect from the elements? Next, determine your budget. Outdoor kitchens can range from simple setups to elaborate constructions. Prioritize your needs and allocate your budget accordingly. Finally, choose your materials wisely. Select durable, weather-resistant materials that complement your home's existing style. What are the best items for outdoor kitchen grill design? The heart of any outdoor kitchen is the grill. Choosing the right grill is crucial. Consider the size, fuel type, gas, charcoal, or pellet, and features. Beyond the grill, consider these essential items. First, built-in grill. A sleek, professional-looking grill integrated into your countertop. Second, side burner. Perfect for preparing sauces or side dishes. Third, refrigerator. Keeps drinks and ingredients cool and readily available. Fourth, storage cabinets. Provides ample space for storing utensils, cookware, and grilling accessories. Fifth, countertops. Choose durable, weather-resistant materials like granite or concrete. Sixth, sink. Essential for washing hands and cleaning up. Seventh, outdoor seating. Create a comfortable space for dining and socializing. Eighth, lighting. Essential for evening use, consider ambient and task lighting. Ninth, weather protection. A pergola, awning, or covered patio can protect your kitchen from the elements. 10th, pizza oven. A fantastic addition for pizza lovers. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor kitchen grill design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The classic brick. A traditional brick grill surround creates a timeless look. 2. Modern minimalist. Clean lines, stainless steel appliances, and concrete countertops define this style. 3. Rustic farmhouse. Incorporate reclaimed wood and natural stone for a warm and inviting feel. 4. Coastal retreat. Light and airy, with white cabinetry and nautical accents. 5. Mediterranean oasis. Think stucco walls, terracotta tiles, and vibrant colors. 6. Tropical paradise. Lush landscaping and bamboo accents create a relaxing atmosphere. 7. Southwestern flair. Adobe-style construction and desert-inspired landscaping. 8. Contemporary chic. Sleek, modern design with high-end appliances. 9. Urban rooftop. Maximize space with a compact, multifunctional grill station. 10. DIY delight. Create a custom outdoor kitchen on a budget with repurposed materials. Designing an outdoor kitchen grill can be a rewarding project, adding both value and enjoyment to your home. Remember to carefully plan your space, prioritize your needs, and choose materials that are both beautiful and durable. By following these tips, you can create an outdoor cooking and entertaining space that you'll love for years to come. Thank you for watching Homes Decor Designs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your outdoor kitchen dreams. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.